Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. So in the previous video we saw how to create schematic sketching for the PCB. So this one is the schematic circuit. So after creating this schematic we can create 2D PCB layout for that. First you have to save it. Then you have to go to 2D PCB layout. So click this one. It will automatically generate the 2D PCB layout. So this dark black box is your actual PCB workspace. So these are the components. So you should place it into this black box. So you can change the dimensions and shapes of the PCB. So before placing the command, you have to on the grid. So here also it will help to make the placement easy. So after placing the component, you can use the manual route. So click this one, you can route easily. So this red one is the top layer. If you want to make connection in the top layer, so leave it this. Otherwise you can change the layer here. So the blue one is bottom layer. So likewise you can make the connection. So here is the quick route airwire icon. So click this one to make connection easy. So when you click the wires, it will automatically route the connection. So likewise you can make the connection. So otherwise you can make connection using auto router. So for that you have to remove all the routes. So unroot all. So yes, then you have to go to quick route section and click auto router. So if you want to make connection in both layers, so leave it as it is. If you need only bottom layer, then you have to change the top layer to not available. Then you have the effort should be high. So then continue. Here you can start the auto router. It will automatically generate the routes. So these are the different routes. So the first one is the top router. So I select this one and end the job. After making the routes, you have to ground the surface. For that you have to go to the polygon 4. You have to select entire surface of the board. After completing the surface, it will ask the signal. So you have to ground the surface. So enter the name as you give in the schematic. So I enter the name in schematic as GND. So enter G. So it will automatically appear the name. Then click OK. So here you can see it will automatically create the ground surface. So for the verification, zoom it and check the ground pins. So here it will connect to the surface. So likewise you can make the connection. So after making the connection, in this you have to ensure the rules. For you have to check the rules. So for that you have to go to rules and check design rule. Here the message will appear, no errors. So according to the rules, my connection is perfect. So after that you can view your PCB design in 3D view. So for that you can go to this 3D PCB. So it will automatically generate the 3D view of your PCB. So this is the 3D model of your PCB. Then you have to export your Gerber files and 3D files for your manufacturing. For that you have to return to the 2D PCB layout. So then you have to save this first controllers. Save it. After that you have to go to the manufacturing section. So here is the manufacturing section. So here you can check the preview of the CAM processor. So click this one. So here you can go to check the CAM processor. So if there are any problem in the PCB, the error message should appear here. So according to that you have to work on it. If there is no error, you can export the file. So for that you can directly go to the export Gerber NC assembly and drawing outputs. So click this one, then click OK. Then you have to select the location to save this zip file. So it is in the downloads, so save it. So after that, this one is our zip file. So this one. So this one is the real files. So you cannot open these files. So this one is the Gerber files. So you can use this file to manufacture your PCB boards. So this is the way you have to create the PCB in the Fusion 360 software. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.